So how can you text a document on the iPhone? And let me talk about it. And if this is your first time here on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything. So of course, if you go to your messages app of the iPhone and go to any chat that you want, you can go to the text thread or whatever, and you might try to click on the plus button, but in there you can share images and like different apps or might be available, but we don't really see the ability to import documents right here. So we need to kind of approach it from a different angle, because instead we can go to the Files app where our documents might be located, right? So for example, I'm going to hold it down on a PDF, click on share, and I'm going to then choose the messages right here. So even though we cannot really import it to the chat right away, we can go and approach it from a different angle where we find the document first, click on share, and choose the messages right here. And as you can see, this is the document attached right there. All I have to do is just to select the recipient, the person which I want to share it and send it over. But yeah, that's kind of how you can make it work. That's how you send it over. Keep in mind that it only works if you use iMessage, meaning you share text between Apple devices. If not, the only way to text a document would be by sharing a link to it. For example, from Google Drive, you always have the ability to set up sharing where you just get a link and you can paste it anywhere, like into text messages or whatever. So that would be about it. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this, and I'll talk to you later.